There is a manual mode on this machine. It's not the preferred method to use because the automatic mode with the photo eye is going to make your job a lot easier. But sometimes there's certain pallets you want to wrap an exact way. So manual mode would be a way you can do that. Let's show you how to do that. First thing we're going to do is go from automatic to manual mode to toggle there. Then we want to spin the turntable. So if you hold this down, it's going to beep, and once it beeps, I can let go. It's going to keep spinning. If I go up with the carriage, I hit the up button for the carriage, put the carriage up. So I'm holding in now, and let's say I get to the middle here, I want to stop, and I want to let it wrap the middle a little bit. I just let go of the carriage up speed, and then to continue on, I just hold it in again. I'm going to hold it in until I get to the very top. So now we're at the very top. I'm going to let it spin around once. And now I'm going to bring it back down by hitting the down carriage speed. I'm just going to hold this in until we get to the very bottom. Once we get to the bottom, I'm going to let go. And then I'm going to stop it by just hitting the turntable icon again. And we're done.